What about if someone hit your car and you are miles away and you'll be able to see it with this dash cam? In today's video, we are going to test this 4G lens car security camera. It's a 2K and we're gonna test it, do the unboxing, show you exactly how it works in the day and in the night. We're gonna test it and let you guys decide if it's good for your car or not. Let's go. "4G 2K cameras, live remote, GPS, two-way communication, real-time alerts." XEGA 4G LTE Dual Dash Cam. Installation using the OBD power, front interior camera, 2K, live remote viewing through 4G LTE. It has GPS, location tracking, real-time alert, two-way communication, parking surveillance, day and night driving footage, and includes 7-day free trial, 1 month free cloud storage trial. This dash cam does not come with the SD card. You just push, click. Once you hear the click, that means it's fully installed. Type C right here. Here I see it on and off. So now probably I'm just gonna connect the mounting that goes to the windshield.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
I'm gonna show you all of that, guys, but first I want to connect it to the windshield, and from there I'm gonna do the testing. After I test it, I'm just gonna show you how you can connect it to your app and check real life from your own phone to this camera. So this one will go to the windshield. This is the double side tape that will go on the back. Slide it like that.
Will be perfect in the middle, guys. There you go. Yeah, should be all right there.
Next step, I'm going to connect it to my phone and then show you exactly how you can see this camera on your phone. We'll have to get this little book, open it. I think on the first page you're gonna just scan this one and then click on the first link right here that you have to download. So this is the XEGA Pro. We're gonna go ahead, and if it's an iPhone, you choose an iPhone right here, or if you have an Android phone, you can use your Android. Click on iPhone, as this is my phone for right now, and we're gonna click on get. That's means you're gonna load it to your phone, and then from there we're gonna connect directly to this camera. Once you log in through the app, you will have 100% access to watch your car from the exterior and the interior. You can even zoom in, zoom out. Anybody is walking by your car, even through the front, through the back, you will receive a real-time notification to your phone. And also, what's good about it, on this portal, on the left icon, you can take screenshots if you want. You can record as well directly to your phone, and also you can speak through the speaker from the app to the phone. And if somebody inside your car, also you can hear everything inside your car. And if you want to go back on history and you want to download any clips, for example, if you drive that day or the day before, you can only click on the last icon and you can download the clip directly to your phone. Alright guys, so I'm going to drop the link of the dashcam on the comment section below if you guys want to check it out. So guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon in the next video. Peace.